Well, we've seen the videos. Federal agents arresting immigrants at courthouses after their immigration hearings. And tonight, a new class action lawsuit wants to put an end to these arrests. Good evening, and thanks for joining us. I'm Steffi Roche in for Steve Price. The lawsuit claims ICE agents are violating the rights of immigrants by arresting them as they try to gain legal status. CBS 8's Esmeralda Perez joins us in studio with a closer look at that lawsuit and what a local immigration attorney has to say about it. Esmeralda?
Well, that's right, Steffi. In recent months, immigration advocates and attorneys have warned that ICE agents wait in the court hallways, handcuffing immigrants as soon as their cases are dismissed. Now, there's a legal battle underway. For the past few months, we've been seeing ICE agents handcuffing people after their immigration hearings were dismissed. It's been happening locally and in several other states. Now, a class action lawsuit is in motion, filed by a group of immigrants and legal advocates hoping to put an end to these types of arrests.
No, I'm not surprised that there is a lawsuit finally filed against this really egregious kind of policy.
According to the Associated Press, the attorneys of 12 people arrested at court hearings filed the lawsuit in the U.S. District Courts for the District of Columbia against the Department of Homeland Security, Justice Department, and ICE. I spoke with Ian Sorello, a private immigration attorney and chair of the San Diego Immigrant Rights Consortium. While he's not involved in the case, he offered insight about the lawsuit.
The lawsuit advances an argument that it, number one, it violates the constitutional rights of immigrants, of non-citizens in presenting their case in immigration court. Number two is that it violates our immigration law itself.
A statement from Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin says in part, "We aren't some medieval kingdom. There are no legal sanctuaries where you can hide and avoid the consequences for breaking the law. Nothing in the Constitution prohibits arresting a lawbreaker where you find them." The statement goes on to say courthouse arrests are, quote, common sense, adding it conserves valuable law enforcement resources because they already know where the target will be. While the case is being heard, Ian says the plaintiff in the case will most likely be asking for a temporary injunction. And if a judge grants it, court arrests would have to stop while the case is being decided.
I think in this case, it could either be that the judge would grant a nationwide injunction or deny it.
And we will continue to follow this story and keep you up to date on any new developments. To view Assistant Secretary McLaughlin's full statement, visit the online version of this story at cbs8.com. Back to you.
Thanks so much, Esmeralda.